Hello dolls and gents, and this video is going to be sponsored by this beautiful product that I received. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of details about it. Let's go ahead and open it, and I will give y'all some details about the company. The communication with the company was very, very good when they contacted me regarding doing this collab. They do have WhatsApp, they have YouTube, they have Instagram, they have TikTok. So there are a lot of ways to get in touch with the company regarding your order. I will say that there was absolutely excellent communication. I did not have any issues. And for those of you who wonder, I would say I had, after placing the order, the bag was here within, like, I'm gonna say a week and a half. It did not take as long as I thought that it was going to take. So let's go ahead and get it open. I was trying to open it so my address doesn't show on it. As you can see, it is very securely packaged. Very securely packaged. Oh, I think this is just a bag. Okay, this is just a bag. So this is how the product came. This is the BOUGIE soft bit top handle bag in black leather. Okay. So I'm going to pull this on out. Put that right there. Make sure I'm not leaving anything in here. This is the card. This is the bag that it comes in. I absolutely love that because it gives you something to keep your bags in when you're not using them. So we're going to go ahead and pull her out. She is 27 by 5 by 21 by 16 centimeters. And this is what she looks like. Oh my God, that is simply adorable. It is so cute. And look at the buckle. The hardware buckle on this goes from the back to the front. From the back to the front. That is crazy. This is a high quality bag straight from the factory. Each piece is carefully crafted, beautifully packaged, and shipped with confidence, okay? So just to let you know, orders are shipped within 7 to 8 days after being dispatched. They have, like I said, WhatsApp, IG, TikTok. If you have any questions, their response time is absolutely awesome. I would say when I was asking questions, they responded to me the same day, if not the next day. So let's see how you open this. Okay, so this little clip here, it's a magnet. It's just a magnet. It sticks right to that, and oh, like that. On the inside of the bag, there is a little pouch. So I like that. Y'all know I like my pouches, especially when the bag does not have pockets. And then, yeah, there's no pockets, no zippers on the inside. You do have your little key holder strap on the inside, but this is what the inside looks like. So I'm super excited that they give you a pouch. But in all honesty, the inside of this bag is a nice size. Like, the inside of this bag is big enough for your phone, your makeup, your charger. Like, look at the inside of this bag. It is big enough for you to take it out. I am so excited to carry this bag. Oh my goodness, I got to think of what I got coming up that I can carry this bag to. I just think that this is the most elegant. Let's take these little straps off so y'all can see. It's just the most elegant, cutest bag. Oh my gosh. It is so adorable. And the hardware on the front, it is gold. If my camera's not reflecting that, I'll take some of the tape off. But it is gold. Now, it does say that if you order this bag, it comes with a free necklace. Buy a bag, get a free necklace. That may be a promotion that they're running. I don't see anything in here, but this was a collab, so that could be why. But they are running a promotion that if you buy a bag, it says buy bag, get a free necklace. So I will try to put a picture of the promotion and the necklace somewhere up in here. Let me do that for y'all right now so that y'all can have that. Bear with me one moment. And the website for this bag is, and it will be down below, www.mayshow.ru. This is my second time coming to you guys from this company. I have enjoyed working with this company. Everything that they have sent me has been like top quality. And I'm just over ecstatic with this. It's very lightweight. Very lightweight. I feel it. It'll get a little bit heavier with the stuff you put in there. I love the style of the buckle going from the front to the back. And I also love the fact that you get the little pouch included in it. It's like adorable. So you can really put your money and stuff in here and put everything else in the bag. And this is the back of the bag. This is the little clip here that goes from the back to the front so your bag is secure. And this is what the back of the bag looks like. This would have been awesome if there was hardware on the bottom of the bag. But either way, this is the bottom of the bag. There is a crease there. And it still sits up very lovely. I just think it would have been like 1,000 out of 1,000 if it had some little hardware feet on the bottom, right, y'all? Like a little bit of more hardware feet on the bottom, that little bit of gold. But this touch of gold, classic. I absolutely love it. So let's get into the blog, and I'll come back on the end to make sure you guys have all the details regarding the bag. All right, guys, and my apologies. I didn't realize some of the bag was out of the frame, so I want to come and make sure you get absolutely every inch of the beauty of this bag. It is a nice size. I gave you the sizes before. Very, very nice shoulder bag. Here is that gold buckle that sits on the front and goes around to the back. Okay, this is the sides of the bag. It's tapered in on the sides, which I think would make it easier for carrying, like under your arms. If you're going to place it on your shoulder, you can carry it on your arms or under your arms. Here is the gold clasp and the inside of the bag. Let me take the pouch out so y'all can see the inside of the bag. A lot of room. When I say a lot of room inside this bag. You're going to be able to fit everything you need to fit for an evening out in this bag. From makeup to your cell phone to a portable charger to your cell phone charger to deodorant to whatever you need will fit in this bag. You can tell that it has some wiggle room, so it does stretch. And then here is the bottom of the bag that I was trying to show y'all. There is a little groove there as well. No feet on the bottom of the bag. And this is what the bag looks like in the magnetic gold. The gold hardware is what I was saying definitely gives it a little bit of class. All right, so let's get into it. So let me show y'all what I got from the Dollar Tree. I didn't think I was going to find it, but 2 Dollar Trees later, found it. And I didn't want to go crazy, and I know I might regret not going crazy, okay? But 2 Dollar Trees later, and I found it. So I found what everybody's posting, the face wipes. I grabbed 1 vitamin C. Can y'all see the makeup removing wipes? 1 vitamin C. I grabbed 1 coconut. I don't know. See, this is what happened when I try to get y'all good content, so y'all can look for them. This one was cucumber extract. I grabbed 2 coconut extract. There you go, 2 coconut extract. You get 25 wipes in each bag, so I didn't want to go crazy. So 25 coconut, 25 vitamin C, 25 cucumber. I grabbed another coconut, and then I grabbed these eucalyptus face and body cleansing wipes, and there's 30 in here. Let me make sure I didn't get ripped out. Hold on. $1.50, $1.50. And then I grabbed these face and body wipes I like to put in the bathrooms, in my bathrooms, in case anybody needs it or needs to freshen up. They're not flushable, but they're very thick and good face and body wipes. So just want to let y'all know if y'all looking for them, because I seen the hype on social media, and I was like, went to $2 Trees yesterday, didn't find it. The one I went to this morning had it, and I grabbed me a Valentine's Day tree, because those are going to go. I think I already have a Valentine's Day tree for my decor table, but I grabbed another one just in case. Just in case. Everything I got was $1.50. Everything I got was $1.50. I want to open those wipes and put them like in a little jar on my vanity and in a little jar in the guest bathroom. So I need to find me a jar or a container. I did pick up one in there, and when I got to the register it was $5. I told her to put it back. I'll come back or go to another one and I'll get a jar. I just want a little jar to put them in there, and you can grab it if you need it. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want a $5 jar. I got 3 bathrooms. I don't need a $5 jar. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me know if y'all found them. Guys, I figured out the issue with this phone. Okay, so this is the flip phone. This is the Razr Flip. Listen up if you have a flip phone. I don't know if Samsung is the same. I took it into the store and I'm like, look, this front facing camera was bomb.com when I bought this phone, and now I feel like it's wavy or blurry or something. The rear facing camera is still good. I blog with this phone. Good morning. I'll have this ready for you in a moment. Thank you. You're welcome. I prefer to blog with the phone. It is a lot easier for me. I don't want a camera. I don't want to have to hook it to a computer. I don't want to have to download software. I don't want to have to sit there and go through all the crazy editing. I know it's better. Maybe one day I'll find somebody to sit with me and do that. I need someone to sit with me and really show me. I don't want to be frustrated. This is something I do as a hobby. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be frustrated trying to upload videos. So I use a phone. I am going to buy another phone. I'm going to buy a Samsung because their cameras are bomb. Just a regular Samsung phone. So flip phones, you don't put a screen protector on. Well, this one, the Razr, the Samsung either. I don't think you put a screen protector on. I can see it as I'm looking at it right over the camera lens. It's wavy. I don't know if that's from opening and closing the phone. So that's why I'm saying, if you get a flip phone, beware of this, because, and there's no way to get it replaced. Or I guess I could, but I'm not going to pay to get it replaced. I'm not. I didn't get like any insurance or anything on the phone. I bought this phone outright. So I may go to this place that I know and see what they say. But y'all know how it is once they start messing with these screens and stuff. It ain't never the same. I like this phone as a phone. I'm gonna keep it as a phone because I need to flip. I need to slam the phone down on you, okay? So I'm gonna keep it as a phone. But I am gonna go buy another phone for YouTube. So stay tuned. I'm gonna buy another phone. Samsung, I know, has excellent front facing and rear facing cameras. So I'm gonna get another phone. So y'all bear with me. The clearness is coming. I'm sad about it. I don't even know. I can see the wrinkles. I don't understand it. It's right over the camera, right? It's right over the camera lens. Like, it's right through it. Have a great rest of your day. Take care. Thank you, you as well. Thank you. Bye-bye. So I'm going to get ready to drive. But yeah, that's what I found out about the phone. So I don't even know what I can do about that. I'm going to YouTube it. See if anybody else has complained or said something. Or was it something that I did? And I would trade this in and buy another flip phone. But if that's what it's going to do, then I'm not going to do that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would love to just get another one. But not if that... Do y'all have the Samsung Flip? If you have the Samsung Flip, please let me know if your phone is wrinkling up. And it's opening and closing, but they should have made these phones where they don't wrinkle up. Like, it's wrinkling up. Somebody holler at me. Hey guys, so I went into Lush because TikTok was hyping up these moisture bars. So I went in here to check out the moisture bars. I want one for nighttime and one for daytime. All right guys, and you know that I like to come show you the website for where I received the product. And I also like to show you guys that there's stuff for men and there's way more than purses. This is the website. It should say may show when you click on my link. Like I said, they have tennis shoes for those of you who are tennis shoe lovers. Father's Day is coming up soon if you want to get your order in early. Of course, they have bags. They have shoes. I try to get different things to review for you guys so you guys can know that these websites are known for just more than their purses. They also have clothes for you or your guy friend, whoever needs it. They have shades. All of you who love shades, here are some Gucci sunglasses for men and for women. So I like to bring you the website so that you can see that there's more than just purses. A lot of times we review purses and people don't realize, like, there's more than just purses on these sites. Click the link, check out the site. If you can go follow their social media and let them know that my video is what sent you, I would absolutely love and appreciate that and the support so that I can bring you guys more products. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to click on stuff to show y'all that there is more to it than just the purses they send us to review. So definitely go on, check out the website. If you make a purchase, I would love to know what you purchased from the website. Also, they have, like I said, Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. I would love it if you would go, even if you don't subscribe or follow their YouTube or whatever, go over there and let them know you saw Fearless Femme's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.